Hey everyone, and welcome to my completed LMS. This has been a hard yet extremely eventful month so far, and I hope you'll like what you see. So as users log on, there's a lot of information here. You have all the different courses that we've assigned, as well as the one that we are going to do today, the HIPAA Bootcamp. Okay? So as users get started, they come to the intro screen. Now, navigation through this LMS is pretty easy. It's pretty basic. You click on your right and left arrows to go forward or back as needed. Okay? Now, this proved a bit of a challenge for me in adding user content that wasn't just basic training materials. Okay? As you can see, I've added some assignments here, including my email. So as users click onto the next screen, the intro screen begins.
Welcome to HIPAA
Okay?
Bootcamp.
Now, this scrolls on and it was going to give you everything that's going to happen within the boot camp. Okay? As the intro video ends, users will navigate through the rest of the course. Now, the communication is asynchronous, I've mentioned this before, and this is done purposely to meet the needs of our staff and volunteers. As you can see, I have utilized videos and other slides to try to hit on different types of learning styles. Although I was unable to upload my Captivate model into the LMS, even the PDF didn't work, I was able to take the bulk of what I created and upload it through the LMS structure. So as the learners continue through the module, they will come to 2 assignments that they will have to complete to successfully pass the course. Now these assignments do not have to be done as it happens, although it can be, but they have 5 days after being assigned to the course to do it. So the first assignment is that they have to send 2 secure emails to the following address. One must utilize the QCP secured network. The other one must utilize one of the following messaging sites. Okay? So for your assessment next week, you will not be able to utilize the QCP secured network, but you will be able to utilize one of these messaging sites. Now, users will simply click on one of these links. They will enter the email, send it to me, and that means they have completed that assignment. So as users progress past the first assignment, remembering they have 5 days to complete it, they will just continue to navigate through the system. And eventually, they will come up to the second assignment. Okay? Now the second assignment is the HIPAA Bootcamp message board. Now the LMS itself doesn't have a native discussion board feature, so I had to create one through Google Groups. The link that you will click on in the LMS will bring you to here. You'll have your welcome message, and then you'll have the assignment too. Okay, the directions will be here, and basically what the users are going to do, they're going to, in 2 or more paragraphs, summarize what they have learned. Okay, they have to respond to at least 1 peer, and again, they're going to have 5 days from the completion of this assessment to complete the assignment. So users reply, type in their whatever it is they want to say, and they're going to post. Google Groups makes this really easy, and I found this was a great way to add that type of user engagement into my LMS. And finally, we come to the assessment. Like everything else, MindFlash has a very simple system for adding assessment through the quiz feature. Here, I have added an 8-question, true-false, and multiple-choice quiz to test the knowledge learned throughout the training. So users will navigate, read the question, answer the question, submit, and get instant feedback. Okay? It's pretty simple and basic. Okay? Now, I have to admit, I don't completely like or I'm thrilled with this type of testing. However, it works well for our staff and has proven successful. Okay? I think pairing this up with the 2 assignments will do a thorough job of testing the learning, giving them a chance to discuss with peers through the message board, and using real-world applications in the email assignment. So to end, I've added a user survey to utilize feedback from my learners. Looks just like the quiz, where users will submit answers to basic questions, giving their feedback of the course. This is my LMS so far. I think it looks pretty good. Obviously, there's always things I would like to improve, but I look forward to your testing and assessment and feedback next week. Thank you.